Leetcode Daily Challenge. Question 401. Binary watch. This is an easy problem. Actually, this problem is not that easy. It's kind of tedious. But the question is asking us to list all the possible time on this binary watch. So I'm thinking of a way that to turn on the number of on LED one by one. Say at the beginning we have 0 LED that is on. Then we turn on one more LED, which means there is one LED is on. The next step, we turn on another LED. The total on LED will be 2. Then we turn on the next one. The total on LED will be 3, and so on until we reach to the input turn on. When there is no LED on, obviously the time will be 0 hour, 0 minutes. Based on that, when we turn on the first LED, it will be something from this one to a few different possible answers, like 0 hours, about 1 minute, and a few other options. But the number of candidates will be the same as the number of LED on the screen, which means 4 plus 6, which is 10. So turn possible answers. That's the first step. Then we move on to the next step. We turn on another LED. Based on the list of step 1, what's the possible time could it be with one more LED on? We just go through this loop again to see if these 10 possible answers are valid or not. So these are the few steps we're gonna do to solve this problem. First of all, we start from a 0, 0, which is the initial time. Then we turn on that LED one by one. We also want to check if the possible or candidate time is valid, and we also want to check if it is duplicate. But those are the things we're gonna check before we get to the final answer. And that's the solution we're gonna use to solve this problem.